So windy. Rudzik. Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. Hopefully this vlog, the files don't delete like what happened last vlog. My files literally, I accidentally deleted them, so I couldn't find them, which was great. But yeah, hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well. I am currently at my brother's shop working on this. I ended up stopping by my brother's shop before my other job because I had to do a couple of work stuff here, and I just brought my sketchbook just so I can work on something before I have to go to work. And this is my progress on this. I did an update on last week's vlog about this, but like I said, the files got deleted, which was just perfect timing and everything. So hopefully it doesn't happen this time. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue working on this a little bit before I have to go to my other job and work there. Today I am training, so I'm not going to be vlogging much today. Tomorrow I'm probably going to skip training so I can work more. So yeah, I am losing my voice, but yeah, so far just drawing. Hopefully I can finish this piece this week so that I can outline it and then color it in for the video. It's Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. I'm at my other job as per usual. Today I will probably be working on one of my projects because I actually don't have a lot to do today. So I'll be doing that. I ended up finishing my sketch from the last clip that you saw. I ended up finishing that, so I just have to pretty much ink it, and hopefully it'll be done soon. So yeah, there's that one. And then I started editing my listings for my Etsy shop because I do want to tweak a couple of things on how it all looks like. So I've been working on that. Last night I trained for like an hour and a half, but I was so tired, like I could barely function. My knee is having issues. Okay, so this is one of the stories I think I tried to mention on my previous vlog, but it ended up getting deleted by me on accidentally. But since I train jiu-jitsu and just MMA and all of that stuff, I guess I screwed up my knee because when I bent down to like put something on a shelf, like I squatted down to put something on a shelf that was on the bottom, and I heard this cracking and popping in my knee, which was great. I was so, like, it freaked me out. And then as I try to get back up, I just have this like pain, and I had to like limp back to my chair, and this was Friday. And so after that I was just putting like stuff on it to help it. It's not swollen or anything. And then I went to training yesterday, and I'm tired. Like, I don't know why, I didn't really sleep that much. It just feels like, you know, when you stand up too fast and then you get like this, you're about to fall type of thing. It was like that, but only on one knee, and it was like constant. So I don't know if I damaged any nerves, or maybe some of my nerves ended up ripping, But I mean, when I'm walking and stuff, it seems fine, but it's like when I'm training, it's more of like I can feel it more. I don't know. Like, I try not to pay attention to it too much, but I'm trying to figure out the clips that I ended up deleting on accident, not for the vlogs, but for like another video. I accidentally deleted those because those are the ones I wanted to try and get rid of, and if you control Z, usually it like goes away and it goes back to its like original place, but that actually made it delete itself. So as of right now, I'm trying to figure out which videos I have, because thankfully I read a script, and if I have a video on my phone that I recorded, I type in the number of like the video, because if you swipe up, there's like a number it gives you, and I usually type that into my script so that I know after I talk about this certain thing or before I talk about this certain thing in that video, I have to show this clip. So I am losing my voice, but I'm doing that right now, so thankfully I did that. So I'm just gonna try and figure out which videos I have and which ones I don't. So that's great. This sucks. Most of the clips I had were actually like right in the middle of like when I was like working on the inside of the jacket, because this is another jacket video I'm doing. I have 2 jacket videos. One of them I'm almost done, the other one I'm just starting, which the one I'm just starting is for me, the other one is actually for a friend of mine. But all the videos that I had on my phone were my process of like what it looked like before it was finished, and I don't have it and I can't retake it. There was at least 2 that I could only retake, which was just perfect. I'm like so upset with that still. But there is like an app you can get on your computer in order for it to like give you those files back. But for one, you have to pay 1 month. It's like $70 for 1 month. And I'm not spending it on that. Like, if it was like really, really, really important documents that I accidentally deleted, maybe. But it's okay. It's okay. We can live without it. It happens. There's some people who lose everything on their computer. At least that didn't happen, where I didn't lose everything. But I'll just explain in the video. Like, I had clips, but they got deleted. Hello, I know it's a new scenery. This isn't my normal room, but I am actually in the process of trying to move. So I'm actually staying at my friend's house at the moment, and I just got back from work, from my other job, so that was great. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out where to move to, where I want to stay. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to move. I think I mentioned that in one of my videos a while ago, and it was supposed to be like end of June, beginning of July, and so that didn't work. But I am so tired. It's not even funny. My eyes are like so bright here. It's ridiculous. Oh well. Tomorrow, because today's Wednesday, tomorrow I get braces off, which I'm excited for. So I'm waiting for that to happen. But I have about an hour left before I have to go to training, because I am going to training today. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, I'm really excited. So quick update, I have to go get lunch. It's already 1, it's Thursday, but I got my braces off. It's so weird, but just a quick update because I have to run and get lunch right now, so yes. Okay, so it's Friday, sorry I'm in my car, but Life has been tough, man, especially this whole week. I'm not gonna lie, like, but yeah, I am going to work. I am actually going to be moving soon, so that's why I'm like a little bit off. If you haven't noticed, I'll probably kind of explain more tomorrow when I'm not in my car and when there's nobody around me. So, sorry for the mood change, but yeah. I just wanted to say hello, and I'm glad I have my braces off. Hello. Sorry for that weird clip from early morning. Okay, I got a message from my manager. I'll reply to that later, but basically, what I was trying to explain, things have not been this easy this past week. If I'm being completely honest, I've been in my head a lot, I guess you could say. Life has thrown me a really big curveball, especially in adulthood. As you guys know, I am planning on moving. I did mention that in one of my videos, and I'm just re-saying it, even though I've said it in a couple of my videos already. But yes, I am planning on moving. Where I am at right now, it's temporarily. Hopefully I find somewhere permanently soon. Things are hitting hard. I feel like this year is just, it's been literal hell. We'll just put it that way, like literal hell, just here and there. And I hope it ends soon. I really do. But yeah, I am planning on moving. Here I'll be staying here temporarily. I used to live with my mother. Now I don't, because I ended up moving out. So there's that. And I don't know if we're planning on getting another place together sometime, or if I'm just gonna live alone, because our current situation, like living wise, it's not good. Everything's fine. I'm just saying our living situation wasn't the best, and hopefully it either gets better or everything just works out. I just hope everything worked out the way it's supposed to be. Whatever it is, I hope I made the right choice. It's very hard, especially when you're hit that age of becoming an adult and like realizing you're an adult, and that's just like hitting me all of a sudden, even though I've been an adult for already a year. It's crazy. It's insane. Sorry for my face is shiny. I sweat a lot. I literally got here and I just started recording, so there's that. But yeah, what I need to do now is I actually need to finish editing my video. And then I have a couple of listings. Like, I want to redo some of my listings for my Etsy page. So, like, for my buttons, I want to change the listing for it. Not the listing, but like the picture itself. I want to make it better. So, yeah. But I'm glad I got braces off. I just need to whiten them because they don't look great. And yeah. But sorry for the poofy hair. As always, just poofy mess. You can't do anything about it, but yeah. So that's my mindset. So I do apologize for not, I guess, talking much about art. I know this is an art channel. it just, yeah. Oh, but my roommate came home, so I'm just gonna stop recording and yeah. Okay, so I'm currently editing a thumbnail for my next video, which will be this Friday for you guys, so there's a little sneak peek of it. I like how it is so far, so yeah, I'm just going to upload it and schedule it. And I have to, sorry for the noise, I have my window open, it's just really hot outside, so, or inside and outside. It's literally, it feels like 1,000 degrees right now. But, yeah, so I have my thumbnail edited, I just need to upload it and schedule the video. The video's edited, and I have one email I have to figure out how to reply to, because there's like a lot of steps to it, so I'm probably gonna do that next. And yeah, so far so good. Okay, so I got the video uploaded. I kind of figured out the email. I just need to print out whatever I need, but I don't have a printer here, so yeah. But now I'm probably going to start working on sorry, I'm like multitasking. I'm probably gonna start on fixing the listings and everything. So yeah, I'm excited. They look pretty good so far. But yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm not used to vlogging, but I'm here alone again. Everybody left me. It's okay. I just wish I had my cat here and my puppy, but well, that will have to wait. Hopefully I can get them here soon. So I got home to a bird being in my house, in our house, and my mom caught it. I probably shouldn't be yelling, but I don't know how to catch it. She caught it so that my nephews can see it, and now I don't know what to do. What do I do? How do I catch a bird? How do you catch a bird and try to put it into a kennel? Because that's what my mom did. She put him in a kennel, but then he started flying, and my dogs are going crazy because they know that the bird is there. How do you catch a bird? I don't know. Like, what? Well, for one, it's letting me pet it. Oh, but I'm shaking because I'm scared it's going to jump on me. Hi, buddy. Can I grab you? Are you gonna? Like, why? Oh gosh. To get it for like 20 minutes now, and I can't catch him. He yelled at me for trying to grab him. Literally ran out at me. Now I don't know what to do. Oh. So I'm leaving the bird alone. Just not gonna deal with it, but I'm gonna start packing all of this up. This is my area. Yeah, baby. Right there. So, yeah, I might speed this up a little bit. Let's see where I can put my phone so I can record. But I'm just gonna start packing. I need more boxes, but where the bird is right now, that's where our boxes are. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't. He had to steal the box. Yeah, you'll be coming with me soon. He's like, take me with you, Mom. Take me with you. Take me with you. Ow. So quick update. I'm just gonna widen the camera. Most of it is packed up. I still have a lot a lot to pack up. My cat is sleeping on my bed. But yeah, I have those boxes. Those will be going to storage for a little while till I find a more permanent place, since the place I'm staying at is temporarily. Hopefully in fall time my mother and I can find something, or if I can find something on my own. It's a very complicated story, so, but yeah. But I guess the update on the bird, I mean, my nephew saw it and everything. It was running around and yelling. Ooh, that's a nasty spider. Hold on, let me kill a spider. I had to kill a spider. And sorry for my hair. But my sister ended up taking the bird and taking it to like a rescue place, because it is a baby bird. And at first she was like, oh, maybe I should keep it and, you know, take care of it. But then she's like, no, I'd rather have somebody else do it, because, I mean, you have to baby it. I mean, it's a baby bird, so you can expect it to need to be pretty much washed after for 24 hours. But yeah, so the place I'm currently staying, like I said, it's temporarily. It's not going to be permanently, because the house that we're currently staying at, they are going to put it up for sale. So I'm trying to get my stuff out of here, so that it's more presentable. And my mother and I are kind of separating for a little bit. She's staying with my sister, and I'm staying with my friend for a little bit. I don't know what the future is gonna look like. I'm at a point where I'm just like, live day by day and hope for the best. So that's what I'm doing, but I'm gonna continue packing and then probably get going. So it is Saturday. I'm back at my other place. It's quite a mess there, so I need to clean and everything, but I'm actually going over to my friend's house and we're watching fights. But I think I'm going to end this vlog here so that I can edit a little bit of it and then have the rest of it tomorrow, which will be Sunday, to edit as well. So Sunday will be for next week's vlog. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to end the vlogs on Saturdays, and then Sundays will be the new vlog. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry if it was like up and down. Like I said, times are tough at the moment, especially with everything in the world that is going on, and on top of that, trying to move in that case. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.